Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to go back to home screen with a tap on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then scroll down and click on accessibility. After clicking on accessibility, in physical and motor section you can see the option touch. Simply click on touch and then scroll down in last and you can see the option back tap. Simply click on back tap and then click on double tap. After that, here you can see the option home. You can select home. After selecting home, you can go back to your home screen with a double tap on your back side of your iPhone. So this is the way to go back to home screen with a double tap on your back on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.